Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, or welcome back, I'm glad to have all of you, and I appreciate everything you do, and I hope you stick around. And if you are new, consider hitting the subscription, subscribe, like, all those good things. Yeah, thank you in advance. Okay, so what I have to show you today comes from Coodeals. And there's some really pretty things here. There's some cute things. I can hardly wait to show them to you. So I've been working with Coodeals for quite a while now. Watched them grow and change, and just it's been a joy. And they're always very, very good to me and let me pick out wonderful things. Okay, so here is a free gift. Have these numbers, labels for your trays, storage systems, baggies, whatever you would like to use them for. And they also have these release papers, and these are different than I've gotten in the past. I wanted to take them out, and maybe, let's see, can we get them out? We got to tear through the sticker. Okay, let's see. I wanna see these because these are really pretty. Now, these are a little larger than I like, but I think you just cut these in half and they'll be like the size of the papers that I'm used to, right? Yeah, look. And look how pretty they are with these butterflies and leaves and stuff. They're super pretty. I like those. And you, hello, boing, boing, boing. And you cannot mix these up and put these on the wrong side because this side's the colored side and that side's plain. So they're so pretty though. I like those. I saw them and I was like, huh, I have not seen those before. They've sent release papers before, but not those. Those are pretty. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Let's get to the first one. I have all kinds of different sizes here, and I can hardly wait to show them to you. Look at this one. Isn't it adorable? It's a little pony, like My Little Pony style. It is so stinking cute. This one is a 30 by 45, which is a little bit smaller than that. I haven't measured things in a while, so I'll measure for you. My guess is 25 by 40. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Let's get our centimeter side. 25. There we go. So the other side's going to be 40. Yep. All right. Super cute. It has 37 colors. And if you look down here at the bottom, we have ZC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are probably a dust drill. But look how cute. It's got a legend on both sides. This is adorable. I think it is so stinking cute. Here is the toolkit, which is very nice. We have a gripper. I'm going to have to stop this because this phone's doing that weird focus thing again. And I turn it off and it just turns around and it comes right back on. There's a 4-placer on the pen, a 7-placer in the tray, a nicer tray. This is definitely an upgraded little kit. All right, let me go turn this thing off again. It wants to do something called auto steady. Yeah, auto steady. And whenever my camera comes on, it just wants to automatically go to that, and then it does that weird jumpy thing. I'm not happy with it. I don't know why they changed stuff. It just annoys me. Okay, anyhow, Coodeals prints you out a nice little inventory sheet. This one is 2 pages long because there's 37 colors. So here's our number and our symbols. Here's the color numbers. This is like how many you need and how many they give you. So they always give you extras. They don't have stickers to put on your labels, but you can run this through a Xyron sticker maker and use it that way. You could number your containers 1 through 37, and that would work too. Not a deal breaker for me. Okay, so look at these pretty colors. This is round drills. So we have pretty red and pinkish purple here, orange and greens, some yellows and blues, very pastel colors, all very pretty. Peaches. Let's get to the fun stuff at the end, and we'll show you what our fun drills are. How many did I say? 5. I'm looking for 5. They're usually right at the end. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There they are. Okay, so here we have them. Perfect for this painting. Look, we have a beautiful dark green. Okay, now when I want it to focus, it doesn't want to. I want it to autofocus on these, and it says no. Okay, I'm really annoyed with this whole thing. Seriously, guys. Seriously. Why do they change things? Why? Okay. Never mind. Let's try again. This video is going to be a hot mess. See, look, we're going to have to deal with the jumping because I cannot figure out how to make it stop. I'm headed to the store and I'm going to be like, hey, somebody needs to help me with this phone. Why is it doing this now? But there's these pretty green dust drills. Then we have some, I don't know, these are just like off-white here. A mint. The mint is gorgeous. A bright lime green, and then this is almost like a bluish hint to it. 37.56. Yep, it's got like a little teal color to it. So there are the special drills that go with it. And as you can tell, they're probably going to be all around the outer edge. Love it. Super pretty. I'm sorry, this camera on this phone is doing weird stuff. I don't get it. I'll get it fixed. There's 2 different things it could be, and I thought I had the right one, and apparently, nope, it didn't like that. I'm like, okay. All right, I'm not going to show you another toolkit, but we have 3 of those. Look at this, though. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. I'm going to zoom you in. Will it let me? Okay, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest? That is so stinking cute. It's a boy and a girl duck. Oh, my gosh, I love it so much. It is so cute. 35 colors on this one, and it has this one has ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Where the other one was dust drills, this one has ABs. Wow. Okay, this is so cute. All right, look what we got. We got greens, oranges. I jumped again. Rusts, greens, blues, browns, all of those colors that you see right there in the ducks and in the grass and the trees and all that stuff. Super, super, super cute. It's gonna be a mess putting this video together, trying to piece all these little clips together that I've cut apart and whatnot. All right, here's our ABs. We got a beautiful green. We have a pretty yellow. We have a white. We have a blue. And we have another very light green. Look at that. Looks just like the painting, doesn't it? Green and yellow and blue for the water, and it's going to be so cute. You notice I'm not showing you where all these go because I don't think we want to take all this time to go through 3 paintings to find where the dust drills go. Except I'm going to look for this one just because. It is, let's see. It's a weird symbol. And I'm hoping that the little ducky boy gets some, and he does. All around his face here, and his cheek over here, and down here on his neck gets some of those pretty, pretty green AB. Because if you've ever seen a duck in the sunshine, they shimmer. I wonder if the blue's on here too. No, just the green. All right. Anyhow, she probably gets the gold ones or the yellow ones. You watch. She probably does. Let me see. Oh, they both get them on their beaks. On their beaks, they get the ABs. Ah, I love it so much. It's so cute. Anyhow, I would love to do that one. I really, really would love to do that one. That would be a lot of fun. All right, ready for this next one? Are you ready for it? It's a big one. Well, it's big, it's long. Okay, look at this. Hang on. See if I can zoom you out now. Look at this thing. Look how pretty that is. Look at all these purple flowers down here. Big, huge hummingbird in the center and like this watercolor sky in the background. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This one has 48 different colors. Oh, and it has all the stuff, you guys. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dust drills. Oh, my goodness. I love this. I love this one. A 40 by 70. Notice they all have 2 legends, one on each side. The colors in this, if this is not, right up my alley, then I don't know what is. Look at these. Okay, that's the fun end. Look at these. Purple, gray, purple, purple, an orange, peach, some blues, a little bit of yellow, blues, purples, pinks. Look at all of those pretty colors. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. All right, we've got to see. There's 10. Oh my gosh, 10 different special drills. All right, let's see them. Let's see them. Let's see them. We gotta see them. There's 10. All right, I bet it goes to right there, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's a handful. And what a beautiful handful it is. Look at those. Oh, okay. Let's look at ABs first. We have pink, 153. We have 208. We have 209. Here's my 200 family. We have 552. And we have 554. Those are the ABs, folks. All purples except for the pink. That's gorgeous. They're just going to be all over the place. I wouldn't even attempt to try to find them right now. Hey, and here's a square AB right here on my counter. A green square AB. Bonus. All right, and here's the dust drills. There's some more of the 200 family. There's number 209. There's 609. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, that's 3810. That's beautiful. 553. And another pink, 554. Oh my goodness, you guys, isn't that the most beautiful, beautiful handful of drills you've ever seen in your life? Okay, maybe not to you, but to me, those are my three colors. Pink, purple, teal, there they are. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, this hummingbird, he's got to have that green, right? We'll check for that. Let's see. Number 46 is, it's like a dumbbell. Dumbbell. Up here, of course. And then look, in these green spots, like the leaves of the flowers, down here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. I love it so much, you guys. I can't even explain how much I love this one. It's so gorgeous. All right, I'm going to put these away. Sorry about all of the jumpy camera stuff. I don't know how bad it looks on your end, but it looks terrible on my end. Like I said, somebody is going to figure this out. I'm going to be like, hey, make this thing stop doing this because I don't like it. I didn't want it to do that. I don't want it jumping around. Make it stop. Just make it stop. I mean, ducks and hummingbirds. I mean, what else isn't there to love here? And of course, the pony is super cute as well. But there you have it, folks. That's what I have for you today. I will link them below so you can go directly to them if you are interested. I love this one. I mean, the amount of special drills in this one, 5 and 5. That's amazing, right? Yeah. And thank you once again, Coodeals, for letting me pick out stuff. And thank you guys for watching videos and coming back and supporting my channel. I appreciate that more than I can say. Thank you, and thank you. All right, time for me to clean up. Stop being mad at my camera. It'll be fine. Okay, I'll see you all next time, everybody. Bye.